Hi everyone, my name is Suleiman. In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to create a PayPal account that can send and receive money in Nigeria and other supported countries, other non-supported countries. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be using a UAE PayPal. I think that's the best option for now. Lesotho used to be a thing, but it seems PayPal has detected that Nigerians have been coming to set up accounts and maybe abusing them, I guess. But for now, UAE is your best bet. So what we're going to do, I'll leave the link in the description down below. What we're going to do is to head to paypal.com/AE, and then it should take us to UAE PayPal. Okay, so do is we click on sign up for free. I have to choose a business account. I would not advise for a personal account because obviously you are going to be needing this for receiving payments from clients, or if you have an online store where you want to receive payments. Yeah, so let's go to business account, continue. Okay, so we are here. So we enter our email. I have an email here, aliorvive3gmail.com. Okay, so hit on continue. Now for the password, you can see the requirements here. So our advice, you go with these requirements. So I'm just going to enter my password. Okay, continue. Okay, now so here you are going to enter your name, your real name. Don't enter anything wrong. So I'm opening this account for somebody, so I'm going to use Usman Abdul Mumin. Okay, so legal business name. So this is the name you want the customers to see when sending you payments. Your name or surname will not show when customers want to send you payment. It is your business name that will show. So I'm just going to write the aliorvive. Okay, so now here you have to use your Nigerian phone number. That is the best thing to do. So let's go here, choose Nigeria. I'm going to enter my phone number 09123625101. Okay, that's my correct phone number. So here I would say you should enter your correct address. You might be needing to change this later when asked for verification, but for now, that's after receiving payment of over $3,000. You are going to be needing to change an address to a UAE address, but for now you can use your correct address. So I'm going to enter my address now. Plot 459 ZNA resettlement. Oh, okay. So city, right, Abuja. Emirates, you can choose any of their Emirates here. Okay, it doesn't matter. Ajman, you want to choose USD, but if you want other currencies though, it's based on your personal preference. So you click on agree and continue. Okay, so business type here, you choose individual and sole proprietorship. Okay, so product or service keywords, so you can write maybe computer. Okay, software stores, optional. Okay, so right now I'm just going to enter date of birth, 15th September. This is for this person. So 3 identity documents. I'm going to use a national ID. Okay, you could use anyone you want. So if you have a national ID, you go with it, it's accepted. If you have, oh no, sorry, I didn't go over this. Nationality, you have to choose Nigerian. Okay, let's scroll down, Nigeria. So you choose whichever one is applicable. Whichever one you have is accepted. The only thing not accepted here is voter's card. So if you have a national ID, you have a passport, you have driver's license, you give them. Okay, so the best option applicable to me is the national ID. So I'm just going to enter my national ID number and I'll come back to it. When I'm done. Okay, so that's going to be confidential. So I'll pause the video and enter my national ID and we'll hit on the submit button. Okay, so here we are. This is our dashboard. We now have a working PayPal account that can send and receive money in Nigeria. So what we'll do is we have to head on to our email. Okay, we've done this, right? Confirm your email. Let's confirm the email now. I'm just going to copy the link, come back here and paste here. It's going to ask me for my password. I'm going to enter my password. Okay, and confirm my email address. And here we are. So we're done. So the next thing I would advise is you get in Nigeria or Ghana, you get a UBA prepaid card and link it up. When you link it up, you'll be able to withdraw your money in your currency, in your local currency directly. So you come here, you link your card, enter your card number, whatever billing address you have, you enter it and link card. That way you have access to your money. So it's not by looking for people to buy your PayPal funds. You can actually have your money in your currency. So that is how to do it. I think we're done here. So if you like this type of content and you appreciate it, I would please say you should subscribe to my channel. You can like, you can share the content so that other people can benefit too. See you in my next video. Thanks for watching.